PL 2000 Unity Cup final round. Cebuana Luwilier trailing 26-31. And sila pumipilit na humabol dito. Harbor Center with 4 steals at this point.
That's right. Ito ang Harbor, napakarami na, no? Namago. Again, because of the defense that they're playing.
Escalona with a great spin move.
And that's the dreaded spin of Maki Escalona. He has really perfected that move, Maki Escalona.
Ito naman sila Nete. Sa naman susubok. Binigay kay Gacko and there's a hard foul. Talagang sinabitan nitong si Kelvin De La Peña.
Pero alam mo, magaling talagang ginagawa dito nitong mga guards ng Harbor Center. They just keep on driving in. And tingnan muna natin yung galaw dito nito si Maki Escalona. Kapag naramdaman niya na, no, na meron ng body in front of him, that is the perfect time for him to use that spin. But on the other side naman, napakagandang pasang ginawa ni Chico Lanete for this two free throws of Jerwin Gacko.
Pumasok ang unang free throw ni Jerwin Gacko and he's getting ready for the second. Etong Harbor Center has successfully kept the lead on their side, at least for the first 2 quarters of this game. Jerwin Gacko now with 3 points and 1 rebound. Bercher gets a rebound off the miss by Jerwin Gacko. Bercher, binigay kay De La Cuesta, over to Bono. Nako, napataas yung pasa. But read again by De La Cuesta. Drops it to Escalona for the finish.
Ito naman ang bawi na yun itong si Eric De La Cuesta after giving up that very, very bad pass. Pangatlong beses siya na nakakuha ng steal of a pass by Harbor Center.
7 points in the game for Maki Escalona. And nowhere to go para kay Jason Castro na mahagis sa may baseline natin. Obviously, there's a foul there.
And you know, that's a very good matchup right there. Kelvin De La Peña and Jason Castro magkalaban sa NCAA ito, dalawa na to. He knows perfectly well how strong Jason Castro is.
Jerwin Gacko gets a breather. Pasok sa ating ball game si Edwin Asoro.
Another very, very strong offensive rebounder para dito kay Coach George Gallant at si Jason Castro. Hindi na nadagdagan yung 6 points niya ng first quarter. But we still have 4 minutes and 48 here in the second. And that's the first point of Jason here.
I remember yung statement na sinabi ni JC Intal leading into this first game, Coach Alan. Sinabi niya, everyone expects them to play a team game. So I'm sure kung yung pwede nila scatter yung points among their teammates, gagawin nila yun for this one.
That's right. And that is one thing that Jason Castro has really developed here sa kupunan ng Harbor Center. It's not about his 30s. It's not about scoring an average of 20 points, but more of getting his teammates involved in the offense.
Maki Escalona, meanwhile, bigay muna kay De La Cuesta. 4-point lead for Harbor Center. Cebuana Luwilier having a difficulty here sa tindi ng depensa ng Harbor Center. Another steal. And there's a loose ball here and Jason Castro cannot believe what's happening. Dinadaan na lang sa ngiti ni Jason Castro after being tagged with that foul.
And I think this is going to be another deliberate foul right here. This would mean 2 free throws and another ball possession. Second time that we've seen that. As Jason Castro apologizes to Eric De La Cuesta. Look at this. So nakikita natin dito sa spreadsheet. Ano ba nangyari dito?
Yan, yung kick out na yun eh. And apparently, nung nag-clash yung dalawang katawan ni De La Cuesta sa ni Jason Castro, it looks like the referee saw more contact there given by Jason Castro.
But this would mean 2 free throws and ball possession. Mukha namang hindi sinadya, no? Well, from this angle, I don't want to second guess really about the call of referee Jimmy Mariano that time. But you know, benefit of the doubt will have to go to Jason Castro because he had the leather. But call has been made. Eric De La Cuesta making his first free throw. Again, making his second free throw. Just a 2-point lead right here for Harbor Center and a chance for them to tie this game.
Possession pa rin dito ng Cebuana Luwilier. Chance to tie it or take the lead with a 3. Tingnan natin mga kaibigan. Score natin 34-32. De La Cuesta from the inbound. Gives it to De La Peña. Escalona asking for position here. De La Peña again. The penetration. De La Peña. And the rebound, mapupunta dito sa Harbor Center. Intal, thinking about it, brings it closer. The fall away, the Rocket will miss. And there's the hustle play. Bircher and Asoro.
And this time it's going to be what?
Asoro and Bircher.
It's going to be
Tangle there.
Golden Butcher.
Oo. Bagsak na matindi itong si Edwin Asoro after that rebound play. I'm sure we can see that again.
Intentional foul na naman yata ito. Itatawag dito kay Butcher. Or is it just a holding foul? We'll have to double check. Another call right here by referee Chino Mariano.
There's
Great
a hustle
action.
play from
This is just great
Doug Kramer.
action.
And the hard hack given there. And mukhang hindi naman sinadya eh. Nagkabuhol-buhol yung braso nila on that rebound play. But there could have been second motion. Here's another angle of that. Oh. So Edwin Asoro right there. Again, as you mentioned, cooler heads prevailed. Hindi na lumala yung situation there between Bircher and Edwin Asoro.
And it's action, ano?
And this is only game number 1. I'm sure both teams ang gusto nilang mangyari dito, yung emotional advantage makuha nila.
And you know, more than talking about the game 1, we're just in the first 16 minutes of this game. 4 minutes and 1 second, second quarter, 2-point lead, and a lot of action we see right here.
27, Mike Bircher. 2 minutes cool off.
2 minutes ang cool off ang mangyayari dito.
Oh, after that
Right, Bircher.
unsportsmanlike foul called against Mike Bircher. A 2-minute cool-off time for this guy.
An explanation being done by referee Mariano.
Two
Full
free throws
naman talaga to
for Edwin Asoro.
si Luigi eh. Kaya nagpapa-explain lang siya. And this would mean 2 free throws. Edwin Asoro, stand out from National University.
So ito, a little bit of a discussion here para ma-plansya na natin yung situation dito. Just to make sure na mag-settle down na rin yung mga players, get their heads in the game.
That's right, tama. Oo.
Part of the 2-minute cool down here to...
Pati tayo.
Oo.
Ano tayo? Okay,
Actually, swerte rin tayo eh.
Okay, dalawa mag-cool down
Oo.
muna kayo. Masyado kayo excited. Ayan na, pinapakita si Albergara.
Oo.
2-minute cool down din niya kanina eh. Nasaan pa yung isa? Pakita natin si Jason Castro. 2-minute cool down din yan eh.
Sa dami na mag-cool down dito, baka maubusan tayo ng player ah.
There's Jason Castro. But you know, yung kay Jason Castro naman, sinalo agad niya si Eric De La Cuesta, no? Pero yung talagang matinding action yung kanina kay Albergara at saka itong nangyari kay Butcher at saka kay Edwin Asoro.
I mean, ayokong may masaktan sa ball game ha, pero we can expect more of that here, especially in this final series.
Alam mo, pare, kailangan yata natin ng konting vitamins dito. Nauubos na yung energy ko, first half pa lang pala to.
Asoro's first free throw, medyo yata napalamig. Tagal nang hintay eh.
That's right, this is the third hard foul, ano, na itinawag dito sa game na to.
Two shots for Edwin Asoro plus ball possession.
3 unsportsmanlike fouls. Yung nangyari sa kanya kanina, meron siyang tinira. So 2 free throws plus
Technical free throws.
Oh, that's sportsmanlike foul.
Plus
Which means
ball
another-
possession.
Plus ball possession.
So pasensya na kayo mga kaibigan dahil hindi na ho kami magkarinigan dito ni Coach Alan sa loob.
But he has made only 2 shots out of the 4 opportunities. But still, ano, balik pa rin ang bola sa kanila. Hindi pa rin nakakuha ng kalamangan ng Cebuana. They've been knocking at the door pero hanggang 2-point lead lang, no? Ang pinakamalapit na nagagawa nila.
Harbor Center ngayon, nasa kanila pa rin ang kalamangan dito. Just a 4-point lead para sa Batang Pier, the Rocket. Laban kay De La Cuesta, Intal going baseline. And there's a foul on that attempt. It looks like it will be against his former teammate, Doug Kramer.
Yes, Intal is making it strong. He's about 2 inches taller than Eric De La Cuesta. Timeout muna tayo.
There's a timeout mga kaibigan para sa Harbor Center, Batang Pier. Lamang ng 4 dito ang Harbor Center, 36-32. We'll be right back.